amazing vitamin that stops the growth of cancerous cells. In 2016, there will be 1,658,370 new diagnoses of cancer in the United States alone. This is what statistics are saying for this coming year. The sad part of this is that they are just the new cases, not counting the cases that already existed. Although medical researchers do not claim to have found the cure for cancer, they have come very close to the latest discovery about a particular vitamin. Approximately 70% of American children do not get enough vitamin D, and approximately 75% of adults do not have enough of this sun vitamin in their daily lives. This vitamin may not sound so important if it were not for the reason of preventing many different types of cancer, heart disease, and even diabetes. An adequate daily amount of a nutrient that is a good contributor to overall health and increasing your intake may even be the missing link that cures for cancer. One of the biggest problems of tying cancer to vitamin D deficiency is that very few people actually know how to determine if they lack this vitamin. While the only way to confirm a vitamin D deficiency is a blood test, there are many indications that an individual may be missing the vitamin. Common indicators of vitamin D deficiency include depression, bone pain, muscular weakness, severe asthma, especially in children, cognitive impairment, especially in older adults, excessive sweating, perspiration that appears with no physical exertion, or elevated temperature is a common indicator of low levels of vitamin D, chronic pain. It is best to try to increase the amount of products that have this vitamin, such as fatty fish, milk, yogurt, tuna, mushrooms, orange juice, and others, as well as spending some time in the sun. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.